Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to make a private Snapchat account. So let's get started. When your account on Snapchat is private, only your friends can contact you, receive your messages, and see your stories. Now to make Snapchat account private, tap on your Bitmoji app here. Then tap on the settings. Now scroll down till you get to privacy control. So first, you need to change who can contact me. Change it to friends. Now go back and move to who can view my story. Choose friends only. And in case you want certain friends to view your story, tap on the custom option. Anyways, now go back. Now tap on see me in quick ads. And make sure that you turn off this option to prevent your account from showing on quick ads. Great, now tap on see my location. Normally only your friends can see your location, so from here you can hide your location from some of your friends, while the last option allows you to show your location to certain friends. And of course, you can turn on the ghost mode to hide your location from everyone. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!